I'm happy today BTC have hit over $30,000 and Terminal Classic have also increased. At least though Bitcoin is almost heading towards $32,000 before the end of this week. So I believe that Terminal Classic have also been increasing, though Terminal Classic in the past 7 days have just hit 2.7%, and in the past 24 hours LNC have been able to hit between 0.84 and 1.20% increase in price. I believe that also is coming from Bitcoin being traded on bullish. So I don't want to see Bitcoin going below this $30,000 mark. Okay, if Bitcoin can maintain that high trading, if BTC can reach at least 35, 40, like I never said before, 40 or 42, I believe it definitely turn around so many things. Now for Terminal Classic, I'm expecting Luna to also delete a zero, Luna to go back to bounce back at where it has been. All this why? I mean, for the past few months we have been trading Terminal Classic at 0.000. Okay, yes, we just 3.0. We have been trading 3.0 starting from last year, so many months last year, and right now trading with 4.0, some people were like, wow, this is not really working, because people want to see the coin keep on improving. So I believe that LUNC before the end of this year, they might be planning on killing about deleting 2 more zeros. But I believe this year is still on. We still have a long way to go. This year I've actually hit half. Okay, by the end of this month, it means we have gone half of the year. Okay, half of 2023. So what have we achieved? What have Terminal Classic achieved in the past 6 months? One bigger thing they've achieved was trying to survive. One bigger thing Terminal Classic have really achieved is staying at the top, because so many people don't believe that by now Terminal Classic will still remain among the top 100. A lot of people they have been thinking that by now Terminal Classic must have crashed out, or will be maybe the market cap will be around $50 or $100 million, which will further push the coin down among the top 200 or top 300 crypto coins with the highest market cap, but they've been able to achieve. So I'm happy to see Terminal Classic at maintaining this level, and I hope that very soon, definitely everything will be all right for Terminal Classic LUNC. Once again, let's hope and let's keep on supporting LUNC coin.